Welcome guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Huawei Freebuds Pro 2 with your Apple Watch. Okay, so at the first we have to grab our Freebuds Pro 2 and on the right side, right here, we'll find the button. Let me just catch focus. Here it is. So we have to click and hold this button until this indicator inside starts blinking on the white. So let's make it right now. Click and hold it and release when this indicator starts blinking like that. Keep that case open, put it back, and then move smoothly to your Apple Watch. Right now we have to for sure open the settings. Next we have to scroll down and go for the Bluetooth. And right now enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher. Next, we have to scroll down and we'll find our Freebuds Pro 2, so we can just click on them once. And as you can see right now, our Huawei Freebuds Pro 2 are connected to our Apple Watch. And yeah, that's how we can make it step by step. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.